Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on an emulator. Emulators are fantastic tools that allow you to enjoy your favorite mobile games, like Roblox, directly on your computer. This gives you the advantage of a much larger screen and the precision of keyboard and mouse controls, which can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. We'll cover everything from choosing the right emulator to optimizing your settings for the best performance. Let's get started with understanding what an emulator does for you. Choosing the right emulator is your first crucial step. Consider your computer's specifications to ensure smooth performance. Some emulators are more resource-intensive than others. Once you've made your choice, always download the installer directly from the official website to avoid any security risks. The installation process is usually straightforward, involving just a few clicks through an on-screen wizard. Take your time to read each prompt, and you'll have your emulator ready in just a few minutes. With your emulator successfully installed, it's time to get Roblox up and running. Open the emulator, and you'll typically find an icon for its built-in app store, much like Google Play. Navigate to this store, use the search bar to find Roblox, and then click to install it. The download and installation should only take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, simply open the game and log in with your current Roblox credentials or sign up for a brand new account. To truly enhance your Roblox experience on an emulator, optimizing performance and controls is key. Dive into the emulator settings to tweak graphics quality, frame rates, and CPU/RAM allocation. Many emulators allow you to assign specific keyboard keys and mouse actions to on-screen touch controls, giving you a significant advantage. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for you. A well-configured emulator ensures a seamless and enjoyable gaming session every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.